What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Definitely some differences that you're seeing right here. I went ahead and picked up this brand new, well, to me brand new 2018 Audi S3. It's a Premium Plus in Aura Blue. This thing is absolutely amazing and what's going to be featured on the channel from now on. Extremely excited. Just picked this up 2 days ago. Got a great deal on it. My CC's still right there, so haven't sold that. That's just gonna be a different project for another time, or just gonna sell it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the detour of the car. Really awesome. Both sides have electronic seats, digital gauge cluster on it. The really sick thing about this is, one, the previous owner bought upgraded rotors on it. Brake pads are kind of like crap. The front grille's been upgraded, but the best part that I just found out, and it's already made the journey a little bit better, is what is done underneath. So it has a stage 1 tune by IE already, high torque file. It also has a IE DSG tune already. I have this E-Venturi intake that I came with. So this is $1,000, and this is from the UK itself. These intakes are made over there. So if you know what that is, that's pretty nice. It still has the stock piping, stock intercooler, but it has an upgraded PCV -10 AN fitting for the PCV system, and also has an upgraded inlet as well. Stock downpipe, but I already have one on the way over. And I also have the IE True Flex Fuel kit coming on its way, as I have an extra credit for stage 2. So I will be taking this to stage 2 pretty much the moment I get the downpipe and other stuff. This will be a lot quicker, and I'm definitely going to be hurting a lot of feelings just with the standard stuff for it. I will be using my wheels from my CC. So these are both 18 inches tall. The fronts are a little bit meatier at 245, 45/17, but they equal out to 18, which will be put on there. And then also, I don't think it's unlocked. It is. I will be putting in my racing seats as well for race days, so we already have that going for it. I will be taking off the diverter valve, the Turbo Smart billet one, and putting it on there. So this will be pretty maxed out by, I want to say, next week's time. This should be fully maxed out IS38 until I decide to go hybrid or a big turbo. I will be building the engine, but also the owner did buy an Optima battery, so that was pretty nice. But yeah, this car is really well taken care of. I appreciate everyone who's been along with me since the CC days. I know I kind of stopped. It went in a different direction that I didn't want it to go to. I definitely tried my best, but you know, we're gonna definitely do big things with this car and this platform, and hopefully, you know, you guys can be a part of the journey that I've been trying to share for so long. I just didn't have the right proper car. But thank you, everyone, and please stay tuned, because this is going to turn out to be an awesome build, and I can't wait for you all to experience it just like you did with the CC. So thank you, guys.